Hello, dear students. So we want to review for your exam on Sunday. So we're restarting from Unit 1 all the way until Unit 3. So let's start with the vocabulary of Unit 1, which is on page 8. We have these vocabularies. We have 12 words, okay? I will read the words. You repeat after me, okay? Dodo, dodo, elephant bird, elephant bird. Say after me. Quagga, quagga, sea wolf, sea wolf, woolly mammoth, woolly mammoth, extinct, extinct, survive, survive, exploit, exploit, endangered, endangered, habitat, habitat, species, species, sanctuary, sanctuary. Okay, now let's explain them. So starting with dodo, what is dodo? Dodo is a large bird. Okay, was a large bird actually. It was a large bird that could not fly and no longer exists. Okay, it was a bird, it was large and it could not fly and it no longer exists. Okay, it's dead now. All the dodos are dead now. Okay, they are extinct. Number two, elephant bird. This was also a very large bird that couldn't fly. So dodo and elephant bird, they are both birds, okay, that could not fly. But look, dodo is large, but elephant bird is very large. It means elephant bird is larger than dodo. Okay, they both could not fly and they no longer exist. They are both dead now. They don't exist anymore. Okay. Then we have quagga. What is quagga? Quagga was a type of zebra. Okay, it was a zebra, but a different type of zebra called quagga. How? It was from South Africa. It had dark stripes on the front of its body. Okay, what did it have? Dark stripes on the front of its body. Okay, and it's also dead. It no longer exists. Okay, all the animals here in this page, they're all dead. They don't live anymore. Okay, then we have sea wolf. Sea wolf was a type of large black white seal, black and white seal. Okay, it was a seal. It was found in the Caribbean. Okay, but it no longer exists. It's dead also. Okay, so when you hear sea wolf, it means it was an animal that's dead now. It was large black and white seal. Okay, then we have woolly mammoth. Okay, now these two things. We have elephant bird. It has the word elephant in it, but it did not look like an elephant. It was a bird. But woolly mammoth, it looked like an elephant, okay? An animal like a large elephant, but the difference was that it was covered with hair, okay? The elephants today, they are not covered with hair, but woolly mammoth was like an elephant, but was covered with hair. And also, it lived thousands of years ago, thousands of years. It's dead now. They no longer exist, okay? This is also dead. So these five words, they were all nouns, types of animals that are dead for now. Then we have extinct. What's extinct? It's an adjective. It means something or an animal, yani, an animal or a plant that no longer exists. Okay, that no longer exists. An animal or a plant that is dead. We don't have it anymore. It means it's extinct. It doesn't exist anymore. Survive, it's a verb. It means to continue to live or exist despite a danger. When someone or an animal goes through hard time, goes through problems, goes through an attack, let's say, goes through a fire, yani, their life is hard, but they still make it to live. It means they survive. okay? When their life is hard and they still live, they are attacked and stuff, they still live, it means they survive. Exploit, it means to use something or treat someone unfairly for your own advantage, okay? When someone uses another person or uses an animal for only their good, they don't care about them, it's bad. For example, some people kill elephants only for their tusks, okay? Tusks, the long tooth, okay? They kill the animals only for that. Is it good? No, it's very bad. It means they use them for their own good only. They don't care about the animal if it's feeling good or bad. Then we have another word, adjective, endangered. It means in danger of disappearing from the world. When an animal or a plant is endangered, it means it's about to die. It's about to disappear from the world. It's getting killed by people, okay? And we have two other words, habitat and sanctuary. What's the difference between habitat and sanctuary? Habitat is the natural home of a plant or an animal, okay? Maybe an animal lives in a certain country, in a certain forest or a wood, or maybe it's a wild animal, maybe they live in the desert, maybe they live in the sea, in the water. Okay, this is the natural original home. They belong there. Okay, habitat is where they belong. But sanctuary, it's a place, let's say, made by humans to protect animals there, okay? If an animal is in a sanctuary, it's forbidden for people to hunt them, okay? A sanctuary means whatever is in the sanctuary, it's protected by law, okay? No one is allowed to attack them, to hunt them because they're in a sanctuary. It means they're in a holy place. So now, what is this, okay? It looks like an elephant, it's big, it has tusks. What is it? Yes, Yahya, woolly mammoth. Yes, it's woolly mammoth, okay? An animal like a large elephant, it's covered with hair, okay? And we don't have it anymore. It doesn't live anymore. It doesn't exist anymore. It lived thousands of years ago. Okay, that's woolly mammoth. What about these? Are these animals still alive? Woolly mammoth, this, no, they are not alive. So if these animals are not alive, what do we call them? Yes, Sarah? Aye. Extinct, it means they are no longer existing. They are dead for now, okay? They lived in the past, not anymore. What about this? It's a zebra, okay? We said we had one type of zebra that lived in South Africa and it's dead now. What zebra was it? Just see that? Abdul Mamin? Quagga. Very good. It's quagga, a type of zebra from South Africa with dark stripes, dark stripes on the front of its body. And it no longer exists, of course. What about this? If you look at it, it's something living in the sea. It's a seal. Any ideas? Yes, Celine? Very good. It is sea wolf, a type of large and black white seal that was found in the Caribbean and it doesn't live anymore, okay? It is extinct. Aye. What about this? It's a large bird, as I can see, and from its body, I can tell that it's fat, it cannot fly. So what was that bird that was large and could not fly? Yes, who knows? Zila and Tarza, what do you think? Is it elephant bird or dodo? Dodo, okay. Large bird, it's large, but elephant bird is very large. This one is large. A large bird that could not fly and no longer exists. What about the sea? This one is very large. It's larger. What do we call this one? Okay, it's a large bird, but it cannot fly. So what do we call it? Yes, Dian and Ronia, what do you think? Elephant bird. Very good. A very large bird that could not fly and no longer exists. That's right. Okay. Then what do we have? What is this? Who knows? Any ideas? It is a place. These are two animals running after one another. Any ideas? Survive. Okay. Look, the tiger cannot catch the deer. So the deer is running away. If he runs away and still lives, it means it survives a bad day, okay? Now, what is this? If you look at this, the people are using the elephants for their own use. They are hurting them, They use them like carriage and stuff. They carry stuff with them. So is it good? No, they are hurting the elephants. So what is this? We call it exploit. To use something or treat someone unfairly for your own good. Yes. What about this? We have different types of animals. What do we call these? Species. It means a group of animals that are similar to each other, okay? They are in the same family, so we call them species of animals, different types of animals. Then what do we have? Look, it's a place where deers live. So what's the natural home of some animals? Natural home, what did we say? Yes. Bahzad, what do you think? I know you don't know. No, that's right, yes. Sanctuary. It's sanctuary. Okay. It's a place where animal cannot be hunted. Look at the place. They cannot be hunted here. They're protected. No one can hunt them here. What about this? What's wrong with these animals? See? We don't have many of these animals left in the world. It means they are about to die. They are about to disappear. So what do we call them? Yes, Milia? Endangered. Yes, endangered means they are in danger of disappearing from the world. They are about to die. Yes. What about this? It looks like the animals are living here happily. It seems to be their own home. So what do we call it? Layan? Habitat. Yes, it's their own home. The natural home of a plant or animal. Okay, that's it. Thank you.